cafe. Local freezing in the era of global warming. The weather will always change. The climate will always change. Politics locally, in your country, in the world, will always change. Fortunes will always change. Your team may have lost the World Cup final last night by 1 point in a humdinger of a match. Your team may have won the World Cup final by 1 point in a humdinger of a match. All these changes on the outside will keep on happening. And may you return to your own garden, to the weeds, the trees, the flowers, the insects, the birds, the people in your own garden. May you live from your own garden, and may you cherish the green cathedral of your heart.